Okay, there's Rody Doty Cody. I've been trying these little over 6-month-old pup. It's pretty decent size. It's got the colorings of a Doberman, but a tad bit thicker, and I think it'll be bigger. But anyways, he's a little shy, but he does play rough. And anyways, we're teaching him how to do the treadmill. Tease him with his dinosaur toy. And then I get on the treadmill myself to encourage him. And so when I start him playing, he wants to play with me, and then he hates the treadmill because it takes away his daddy from him. So when he starts hanging out close, I slow my speed down. More Rody Doty. Keep a bag of some cat treats. Oh, Cody's a good boy. Come on. Put it between your legs so he has somewhere to go. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, I just help him on, and then I just keep the treat in front of his nose. On the lowest speed on the treadmill, in my case, it's a 1. And then I play with his nose a little bit so you don't have to give a whole bag of treats. You're such a good boy. And then when he gets tired of that and wants more treats, then I can shake the bag. Oh, plastic, crinkle plastic, that'll stop. Ooh. Ooh. Good boy. If he gets distracted, he'll want to get off like he almost just did. A little gentle beast. Yes, you're such a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Right. Come down on the front. Good boy, Cody. Yeah. We're gonna open pants. Here, Cody, Cody, go. So he gets bored, and then, you know, he's just like humans. It gets tiring after a little while or boring. But I just get a little cheap bag of cat food and give him his treats, crunchy treats. Lightweight, and take them when I go backpacking and hiking. It doesn't wear me down. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Ciao.